Reports reaching us suggested that Nelson Chamisa's aides, zvakakosha and nachibaya, are being sought after by the secret police. Achipiri mushe mhuri yezimbabwe pane mashoko anobuda zvinzi aiwa Ostallos nachibaya ava vakomana ava vari kutsomewa aiwa itori abduction case itonzi aiwa vakomana vari kutsvaga vada kuabductiwa saka bena mashoko sekunyuka waita muzimu ai udobva usubscribe olike otona on the bell icon ndotanyora vachiti abduction alert. We have received intel that the police and army intelligence are hunting for former deputy spokesperson Honorable Ostallos and Honorable nachibaya after their media address at Harare Magistrate Court a few days ago. The two had attended the bail ruling session in solidarity with our chief administrator Senator Jameson Timber and the Avonde of 78. 2 days ago, police and army intelligence officials forcibly entered Honorable Siziva's parents' Bulawayo residence, posing as family members but were exposed as security agents. Their intent is to abduct, torture, detain, and seek further detention to prevent them from applying for bail. The regime is in panic mode, assuming the duo is planning a protest ahead of the upcoming Sabc summit. We are not yet free in Zimbabwe, but as Father Zimbabwe, the late Dr. Joshua Komo, would say, the country will never die. The young people will save it. Ndo masvikana tukapana zvinzi aiwa Ostallos anotombopindigwa mumba make achitsvakiwa anototi aiwa yanga itori abduction chaiyo saka ndimbotiziva mafungiro enyu munoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi nokuti they are fearing kuti maybe these opposition guys they are planning for a protest amidst pa Sabc summit. Tiudze mafungiro enyu pinai comment section medu musangano subscribe kulike on the bell icon.